For too long, Max the kitten had been at the mercy of his cruel stepsister,
Meow, 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 look at me, chasing tails so wild and free.
Lily.
Meow, meow, meow,
But today
I
was
jump
different.
so high. Paws
Max
in
had
the air,
finally
reaching
learned to
for the
outsmart
sky.
her tricks.
Zoom around corners, leap so swift. Nighttime antics give me a lift. Whiskers twitch, eyes shining bright.
Turning her
and the
pranks
moon's
against
low, I
her.
take flight.
With every
Meow,
scheme
meow,
she
meow,
tried, Max
can
grew
you
wiser
see?
and more
Living each
determined.
moment happily. Meow, 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 watch me soar. Every day I discover more. Climbing curtains with feline
In a
grace.
battle of
In
wits,
every
it was
room
Max who
I
emerged
leave my
victorious.
trace. Purring
Watch as
softly
the
in
brave kitten
sun.
fights back,
Life as a cat
proving
is
that
so
even the
much
smallest can
fun.
stand up to
Hiding
bullies
in
with
boxes
courage and
small and snug.
cleverness.
Dreaming big